Hey guys, how's it going? So today I'm going to be doing something a bit different. I really have been wanting to show you guys some of my creations for The Sims. I absolutely love to build in The Sims. I don't necessarily like to play The Sims with The Sims, if that makes sense. I just enjoy the building aspect, and I figured I would share some of my creations with you all. And if this is something that you think would be really nice to have part of this channel, definitely let me know in the comment section below, and I will try to continue the series, because this is basically what I do in my free time when I don't have any work to do, when I've completed everything for my daily tasks, is that I just play The Sims, because for me it's a great way to wind down and just to kind of see something come to life after just building something on a flat piece of land. It's very rewarding, I'm not gonna lie. So, okay, to get started, I had to rebuild this because I really didn't like the size of it, and I also didn't like the shape of it. It was too box-like, so I deleted the first one that I had, as you guys saw from the very beginning, and I recreated it, but in the end, it ended up looking like a box anyways. So my guess is that this home was just meant to look like a box, and I tried to add some shape to it to make it look a bit more interesting, but for some reason it just didn't work out that way. But nonetheless, I kept going with it. So the theme that I was going for this house was somewhat between Victorian and chic-like. I added in tall windows that had shutters on the outside, and I made sure that the windows were very tall because it brings in more light, and I am all about light, and the shutters on the exterior of the windows definitely helps add the Victorian style of this home. As for the color theme, I was going for gray and white, with accent colors being pink and turquoise, such as the living room chairs, as you guys can see there, and also certain plants gave color away as well. I did want the colors to be soft again, and I knew that if that was the case, I had to add some kind of colors that popped a little bit more. Since I don't watch TV apart from Netflix, I wanted this home to have a fireplace instead, and I personally think that doing so added a lot of class to this home. So as you guys can see, the theme is very, very minimalistic, just not minimalistic to the degree of being minimal, just the color wise, and so I tried to go with the theme accordingly with the furnitures and decorations that I had available. For the main bedroom on the second floor, I again stuck with the country-like theme, and I was sticking to the main accents being very white, while the accent colors being just very colorful. I went ahead and added a fireplace to the main bedroom because I personally would love to have a fireplace in my own bedroom, and to keep this very youthful, I decided to add a modern piece to the bedroom just so that it's not too vintage-like. For the bathroom, I decided to add in a bathtub next to these two windows here because I think it would just be a great way to relax and be able to look out the window when you've had a long day or so. Also, I did want to give this bathroom some space since it is the master bathroom. I also added 2 sinks instead of 1, and I was struggling with this little corner here, and I didn't just want it to be open, so I decided to create a wall, and I made it into a little laundry hamper area, and then I would of course then put the toiletries on the other side of the wall, and I think it really looked great. So I'm also trying to utilize some of the space that I have here in the second level main hallway, and I decided to dedicate that wall to a lounging area. So this house has 3 bedrooms, and 2 of the bedrooms is going to be for guests, and I probably should have added an office to one of the bedrooms, but it didn't even occur to me, so instead they're just both bedrooms. And between the bedrooms I have put a bathroom so that both of them would share this bathroom, and I didn't want it to look like the master bathroom. I want it to have its own unique feeling to it, so instead of doing a bathtub, I did a bathroom slash shower unit, and I put in a wall right here to add a towel rack, and I really think it added its own little unique feeling to it, and I was super proud of it. For this bedroom, I kept it very simple, just adding paintings and plants to the bedroom just to kind of bring it to life. For the exterior of the home, I am just big on plants and flowers and trees, so I definitely wanted to incorporate this into the home. So I went ahead and added some bushes to the front of the house, and I also added a little bird fountain because I think that would look really cute. And as for flowers, I added some accent colors of pinks and blues just to kind of bring the whiteness of the house to life. And since I really like cypress trees, I decided to add those in. I really think the cypress trees help close in the space around the house because I wasn't able to put a fence in due to me being too far out into the boundaries. Nonetheless though, I really think that both of these trees really brought the house to life. Next time though, I may want to build on a bigger lot. So for the bigger reveal, I'm going to do my best to show you guys on a more down-to-earth level what the house looks like inside if you were to be walking through it. So this is the main hallway. This is the kitchen. It's very tiny, and I added those tall windows to bring in life and just to make it more inviting. And from the kitchen, you can walk into the dining room area, which also then goes into the main hallway from the left. This is the main living room, and it's absolutely my favorite room in the whole house because of those big windows and that little area that you have to sit in. And for the guest bathroom, it's very small and it's very simple, nothing too extraordinary there. As for the back of the house, it's very tiny, so again, next time I'm going to have to build on a bigger lot for sure. Coming up to the second level, this is what you're going to see when you go up, and you have those windows there in addition to the left side, which is in the lounge area. So this is what the other side of the stairs looks like, and as you can see, we have access to all of the rooms. In the master bedroom, while I like how it came out, I do wish I could have added different color sheets to the bed, but I work with what I had. And as for the master bathroom, I love how spacious it is and the fact that the bathtub is right next to those windows. And for the guest bedrooms, they are fairly simple, and it was pretty hard to get the guest rooms and the bathroom on camera since both of these rooms are fairly tiny. Alrighty, so here's the before and after of what the house looked like before I bulldozed it. What do you guys think? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if this is something you would like to see part of this channel, as I would love to make more of them. I hope you guys have a great weekend. Thank you so much for watching and for supporting my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye!